Graphic designers, today we create this show-stopping liquify effect. Duplicate your primary layer. Hide the duplicate for now. Return to the original layer. On the original layer, apply a black and white adjustment layer to set the base tone for the effect. Unhide your duplicate layer. Use the Select Subject tool to isolate the subject. Press Ctrl+J to place the selection onto a new layer. Stay on the new subject layer. Go to Filter of Liquify. In the Liquify menu, set density to 100%. Set pressure to 100%. Use a brush size of 300. Start dragging across the eyes. Press OK to apply the changes. Select the original layer. Create a solid color layer and set it to black. Change the blend mode to multiply. Using a soft brush, paint subtle shadows beneath the edges of your liquify effect. Select all the layers you've worked on and press Ctrl+G to group them. Duplicate the group and convert it into a smart object. Select above layer and go to the adjustments and add a curve filter and adjust the curve as you like. That's it. With just a few clicks, you've created a show-stopping liquify effect here in Photoshop. For more videos, please subscribe my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.